बेसुमार अथाह अगणित अतुल्य ज्यों बुलावो त्यों नानक दास बोले। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। My Sikh siblings and honorable listeners, we are celebrating the Jyoti Josman Divas of 4th Guru Ramdas Ji. The meaning of Jyoti Josman Day: one individual light merges with external light. So this word is used for the passing away of one. Meanwhile, 440 years ago, in 1581, Guru Ramdas Ji was passed away. So now we will try to know some characteristics and the greatest qualities of 4th Guru Ramdas Ji. Guru Ramdas Ji was born in 1534 at Lahore city, now is situated in Pakistan. When Guruji was only 2 years old, then his father Hardas Ji was passed away. In this way, when Guru Ramdas Ji became 7 years old, then his mother, namely Daya Kaur, passed away from this world to the next world. Then his maternal mother brought him to the maternal village, namely Vasar ke Gilna. The third Guru of Sikhism, Guru Amar Das Ji, was already from Vasar ke Gilna. In the childhood, then Guru Ramdas Ji started his daily job. He started selling the brain boiled, which was called that time in Punjabi language Kungaiyan. So Guruji every day went for selling the brain boiled at the public place. In this way, Guruji reached at the Goindwal city, where 3rd Guru Amar Das Ji was giving the instructions of spiritualism and teaching of this Sikhism. And Guru Amar Das Ji that time starting the digging of Bauli Sahib well. Well is a source of water from the earth. So that time Guru Ramdas Ji participated in the serving of Bali well. But he did not give up his daily job selling of brain boiled. Guru Ram Das Ji done the greatest job at that place due to his great service. Guru Amar Das Ji elected him to get the marriage his daughter, namely Bibi Pani. Guru Ram Das Ji married with Guru Amar Das' daughter Bibi Pani, but fourth Guru Ram Das Ji did not feel pride as a son-in-law of Guru Amar Das Ji. He continued the service of Guru Amar Das Ji. Due to the greatest service, Guru Ram Das Ji became successful to gain the Guruship. Guru Ram Das Ji was appointed on the Guru throne in 1574. After that, Guru Ram Das Ji started his praiseworthy actions. We cannot count the all praiseworthy actions of Guru Ram Das Ji. But my honorable listeners, we will try to know the some great characteristics of Guru Ram Das Ji. When Guru Ram Das Ji sat on the throne of Guruship, he started the composed of spiritual hymns. Meanwhile, above 600 Guruji composed the spiritual hymns. Mostly Guruji composed in Punjabi language. Don't Guruji used the script of Punjabi language, but Guruji composed the all hymns in Punjabi language. So we can say that Guru Ram Das Ji, one of 10 Gurus who has promoted the Punjabi language through his sermons, through his teachings. So secondly, the great praiseworthy work was done by fourth Guru Ram Das Ji. Guru Ram Das Ji was started the construction of Amritsar city, and Guruji started the construction of Amritsar city systematically formed. Guruji gave the order to build the bazaar and avenue in systematically form. That time Guruji great had done praiseworthy work to promote the economy of Punjab. My all Sikh siblings, there is a proverb in English language, unemployment is a curse. So Guruji that time finished the employment. So Guruji gave many more chances to gain the employment, because that time Guruji brought many professional people from the different place of country, and to give the chance of employment to the people of Punjab, to the people of city Amritsar. That time, meanwhile, 52 professions was started at the place of Amritsar city by Guru Ramdas Ji. Guru Ramdas Ji brought many professional people, for example, like welder, architect, mason, goldsmith, blacksmith, dyer, weaver, etc., etc. So Guruji gave many chances to gain the employment, to gain the many jobs at that place. So we can say undoubtedly Guru Ramdas Ji had done praiseworthy work to promote the economy of Punjab. So in this way, Guru Ramdas Ji not promoted only economy of Punjab, but Guru Ramdas Ji promoted the propaganda of Sikhism that time. Guruji that time, to promote the propaganda of Sikhism, made up a organization under the name of Masan. The simple meaning of Masan is a leader of the follower of Sikhism. So this organization was very famous that time. The main work of this organization to collect the gifts and money from the followers of Sikhism and to bring at the place of Amritsar to give the support of Sikhism. But after some time, this organization became infame due to corruption and bribery. So that in this way, Guru Ramdas Ji composed many couplets and many hymns to give the instructions of Sikhism and to give the instruction about the spirituality to his followers. So there is very famous volumes which were composed by Guru Ramdas Ji, like Sukhmana Sahib. So Guru Ramdas Ji composed Sukhmana Sahib. It volume has meanwhile 24 hymns, and every hymns 8 stanzas. So in this way, Guru Ramdas Ji composed very famous volume under the name of Ghodiyan. Ghodiyan is a folk song in the culture of Punjabi people. Guruji composed a volume on the tune of Ghodiyan, and Guru Ramdas Ji composed a special hymn, Lama, and which is read out at the time of wedding day. So this hymn has 4 stanzas. So Guru Ram Das Ji composed many couplets to promote the characteristics of Sikhism. Guru Ram Das Ji made a special hymn which is related to the life of Guru's follower. Guruji says that one who is called oneself, I am devotee, I am Sikh, I am follower of Sikhism, so there is a necessity for him or her to get up early in the morning and reciting the name of God and reciting the hymns of Gurbani. गुर सतगुरु का जो सिख अखाए सो भल के उठाड़ नाम त्याग. In this way, Guru Ram Das Ji gave the special instruction about the politeness, about the humility. Guruji says that हम रुलते फिरते कोई बात ना पूछता, गुर सतगुर संग कीरे हम था. Guruji says that I am rolling in dust, nobody ask me about my care. I am like a smallest insect, but Guru Amar Das Ji selected me for the Guru throne and appointed me for the Guruship. Guruji gave me greatest successfulness. Guru Amar Das Ji made me his successor. So, in this way, Guruji tells us, oh my followers, you don't delay to chant the name of God, to recite of Gurbani, because there is nothing guarantee that next breath will come or not. Guruji says that हर जपदियां खिन ढिल ना की जाई मेरी जिंदड़िए, मत के जापै साहु आवे कि ना आवे ना. There is no guarantee the next breath will come or not. So that we should not delay to recite the name of God. It is necessary and essential for the devotee of Guruji to recite the name through all day and night and try to save from the bad, criticize and slandering of others. We should not, Guruji says that we should not give up the daily job. During the daily job, we should recite the name of God. So in this way, Guru Ram Das Ji, when we came, meanwhile 47 years, that time Guruji elected his younger son for Guruship, namely Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Guruji had 3 sons, Prithi Chand, and secondly Mahadev, thirdly Arjan Dev Ji. Guruji elected his younger son Arjan Dev Ji for the Guruship. Before his passing away, meanwhile, one day before his passing away, Guruji gave the Guruship his younger son Arjan Dev Ji and went to Goindwal from Amritsar city, and on this very day, meanwhile 440 years ago, Guru Ram Das Ji took bath with the water of Bauli well, and in the morning time Guruji passed away in 1581. So we are celebrating today the Jyoti Josmon day of Guru Ram Das Ji. So my Sikh siblings and honorable listeners, so I tried to tell you some characteristics and some qualities of Guru Ram Das Ji. I already know I have done many mistakes in this lecture, please pardon me. Lastly, you speak out Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.